Hello everyone, my name is Lakshay Khanna and I'm 17 years old. I recently graduated from high school and I'm recording this video just a couple days before starting my bachelor's degree in computer science. Today is 27th of July and this is my final project for Harvard CS50P, Introduction to Programming with Python. My project is called CodeBank. CodeBank is a command line banking application that allows users to create a bank account, securely log in using an account number and PIN, deposit money, withdraw money, check their account balance and change their account PIN. I built this project to apply the Python concepts that I've been learning throughout CS50P, especially object-oriented programming, while creating a complete application from scratch. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, the project is built around an account class. Every account stores the account holder's name, account number, PIN, and current balance. Whenever a user creates a new account, an account object is created and stored inside a list that keeps track of all the accounts while the program is running. To create the project organize, I divided it into several functions. The create function creates a new account, the login authenticates the user, deposit and withdraw manages account balance, change PIN allows users to update their PIN, and user menu displays all available banking operation after a successful login. Now let's run the application. Okay, let me just hit enter. It's gonna give me this main menu where we have three options. Let me just pull the terminal a little up so that you can see. Yeah, so it's gonna give me three options: create a new account, log in into the existing account, or exit. Now I'm gonna write one to create a new account. It's gonna ask me for my name. I'm gonna write Lakshay. It's gonna ask me for a six-digit account number. Let me write this and a four-digit PIN. I'm gonna give this 1 2 3 4, an easy one to remember. And we have created a new account successfully. And now if I want to log in into the existing account, I'm gonna click 2. Now I have to enter my account number again, which I just created, and a four-digit PIN. Okay, I'm in the account. We have several options like deposit money, withdraw money, check balance, change PIN, and logout. I'm gonna click on deposit money, and I have to enter the amount. It's in rupees because I live in India. I'm gonna write 5,000 rupees, and we have deposited 5,000 rupees into our account. Now, if I want to check balance, I could write 3, and it's gonna show me a current balance that is 5,000 rupees. And if I want to withdraw money, for example, like 2,000 rupees, I'm gonna write 2,000, and the remaining balance is 3,000 now, as you can see it here. If I want to change my PIN, I could click on 4. It's gonna ask me for my current PIN. I'm gonna write 1 2 3 4, and it's gonna ask me for a new PIN. I'm gonna write 1111, and I have changed my PIN. Now let's log in with the new PIN. I'm gonna log out right now, and it's gonna make me come back to the screen where we have three options: create new account, log in into existing account, or exit. I'm gonna click on 2, and I'm gonna enter my account number again, 08, and my new digit PIN, that is 1111, and yeah, the PIN is changed and we have logged in. Now let me write something else, a bad PIN, that an invalid PIN, so that we can actually see if the error checking is correct. I'm gonna write 2, and it's gonna ask me for account number and a four-digit PIN, 000. Okay, invalid account number or PIN. And let's try creating a duplicate account so that we can actually see the error checking is there or not, to check the duplicate account exists or not. Okay, so let's click on 1, the full name Lakshay again, a 6-digit account number and a PIN. An account with this number already exists, so it's gonna stop us from making a new account. Now let's exit by clicking on 3, and it's gonna give us thank you for using CodeBank. Have a great day. Before I end this video, I'd just like to say that completing CS50P has been an incredible learning experience for me. As I'm recording this, it's 28th of July, 2026, and in just a couple of days, I'll be starting my computer science degree. My college will be opening on 3rd of August. I hope that someday I'll come back to this video and smile, remembering that this was one of the first projects that I built before college. I'd like to thank Professor David J. Malan and the entire CS50 team for creating such an amazing course. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching my final project demonstration. Bye bye.